What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. Today we're going to talk about what is the sign of my AC need to be recharged. 1, get in the car, crank up the car. If it's cold outside or cool outside, it will instantaneously be cold in the vent. You'll be like, all right, cool. But if it's warm, shooting out warm air with the AC button on, that means you need to recharge your AC. Or if it's hot outside, give it 2 to 3 minutes. Let your car cool itself down and turn the AC on, press the button, and if it's still shooting out warm air, that means you need to recharge your AC. But if it's shooting out cold air, you already know what that means. You got AC. It's time to ride around getting it. The second sign is you can hear your compressor turn on with a little click, like that. Turn the AC on, put your hand on the vent, it should blow out cold air. But if you do not hear the click from the compressor, that is another sign that you may need to recharge your AC. The third sign is get out the vehicle, check around. You may see a little leak, a little spot. It may look like an oil leak, but if it's an oil leak, you can actually put your finger on it, touch it. But if it's like a dried up stain, and where you park at does not have dried up stains, that is another sign that you are losing refrigerant in your car. You can go down to your local AutoZone or O'Reilly's and get the rechargeable can, plug it in, and make sure you get the one with the gauge, so it will let you know that if your AC is bad or not bad. So the way of reading that is turn your car on, turn the AC on, and it will let you know if it's good or bad. If it says bad, take it to your local dealership and like, yo, my AC is bad and it's blowing out hot air. Can y'all see what's wrong? Because it may have a leak in it and you're looking like, dang, it's hot. I shouldn't be doing this. You know what I'm saying? The summertime is about to approach us, and it's about to be like 95 to 100 degrees outside. Man, you don't want to be caught outside with no AC. I know sometimes I use my windows, so that's just me. But, whew. But if you're enjoying this video, go and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of Artofspeedd fam, go ahead and that subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.